Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can change text size or font size in Infinix Note 40. Before we start the video, make sure to like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. Okay, first of all you guys have to do just go to settings. After setting, scroll it down to system. Click on system. Then we have option of accessibility. Just click on accessibility. After that, scroll down to text and display. Just click on text and display and we have option of font size here. Click on font size and then change the font size through this. As you guys see, the font size start changing. It become larger and larger. So as you guys see, the font size is now largest. Then go back. As you guys see, the font size is now changed. So through this, you guys can also change your font to small by choosing this. So through this method, you guys can change font size of Infinix Note 40. I hope this video helped you guys. Kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.